and welcome to my first vlog. So I bought an air fryer recently, and many of you have seen it on Instagram, me creating some stuff, cooking up a few crispy things, and lots of you have been asking how I did that, what's my recipe, how did I get it so crispy, and so here I am to share it with you. So to celebrate this first vlog with you, I'm going to let you in on my secrets on how I make my Jollibee Chickenjoy in an air fryer. For this recipe, you're going to need flour, cornstarch, chicken thighs, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and some 5-spice seasoning. If you want to make a spicy version, add some cayenne pepper. I will list down the exact measurements of all the ingredients in the description box below, together with the recipe and all the step-by-step and the things that I do to make this Jollibee chicken extra crispy. Okay, let's get started. Right, first thing you're going to do is clean and prep the chicken thighs. Once you've washed the chicken, cut the excess bits of the skin off that you don't like. You want to keep some of the skin, so then you put the little bits that actually go crispy. Now all the chicken's prepped, we need to make sure everything is dry. Once the chicken's dry, sprinkle salt and pepper all over the chicken. And now onto the breading. We're going to mix all of our dry ingredients. And mix it. Next step is to bread the chicken all over and under the skin. That is one of the important secrets. So I'll show you how that's done. You basically get your chicken thigh, pull out the skin a little bit, just like so, and make sure that you get all the breading outside, the back, and right inside there. Drop it in. Breading in. And then shake it all off. Make sure you get all of the wet areas covered, so then it keeps your chicken nice and dry before you fry it. Also, just make sure that you absolutely clean out the breading from the inside of the skin, because you don't want clumps. You don't want to be eating excess flour in there. See? Nice and clean and dry inside and outside. Right, the chicken should look like this after it's been breaded. Everything should be dry. I made a little bit of a mess, so let's clean as we go. Now that the chicken is ready, we can start cooking in the air fryer. I'm asking Roy to come over to help me. Hello. You're probably going to need one of these oil spray. I've gotten this from Amazon. It's very cheap, actually. You just put a little bit of oil inside and it sprays it evenly. You don't need too much oil, but you just need a tiny bit to spray on top. That way it will actually allow the air fryer to help it crisp up. Otherwise you may have bits and bobs of little powdery areas you don't want, and who wants to eat that? Okay, cool. So this is the air fryer. This is what it looks like inside. It's non-stick, but we're just gonna oil the base just to make sure. Just a little bit. We're gonna place the chicken in the air fryer now. These ones are massive. one mini one there. And then we spray the top. Just make sure that you cover all of the powdery bits. If you don't want to, you can test it out and see how it works for you. I just like to make sure that everything is covered. I mean, you're basically using not even a tablespoon by using this spray. Just make sure that the chicken is in the air fryer, skin side up, to make sure that the heat from the coil actually helps it crisp up. Right, we're going to cook it in the air fryer first for 15 minutes at 150 degrees. 150 for 15 minutes. It smells like Jollibee in here. Let's see what the weather's like outside while we wait for the chicks. It's a very gloomy day in London today. Oh, it's raining. Let's go inside. What are you gonna do? Back to the chicken. Let's go and have a look. Oh. So guys, this is the halfway mark. You can see already that the skin has lifted and it's already crispy. At this point, it should be cooked. Now we're just gonna make sure that it's all golden brown and extra crispy on the outside. Okay? This time we're gonna cook this at 180 degrees for another 10 minutes. That should be enough for it to crisp up and get nicely golden brown. 180, 10 minutes.
The waiting dance.
This is all we do. Cooking isn't hard, you know.
Especially with this. Just feel like you just want to open it.
Oh god, it smells good. If you can smell this.
What's that from?
What's the name? Countdown?
I don't think it's from Countdown.
Where was it from?
Countdown is boom.
Ready? Oh. That's crispy, guys. It's so juicy. Oh. Okay, so here is my version of the Jollibee fried chicken. We're gonna give it a taste test and see what Roy thinks. Ready?
Ready then. I'll never be. Let's go.
Take your pick.
Oh, hard choice, hard choice. This looks like the crispiest one. Oh, look at that.
You have to pick up a chicken.
There we go.
Yeah, look, if you pick up a chicken.
I'll do a single one so you can see.
This one. Do the hand thing.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh, hella crispy. Hella crispy.
Let's see.
Ready? Hang on a minute.
Okay.
I think I'll have this one.
Wow.
I'll have this one.
That's just me breaking the skin.
Ready?
Yeah. Should we do it together? Alright,
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh, still good.
Yum.
Just as good as the last time.
What do you think of the crispiness? Oh, sorry. Did you say it was good as the last time? Better than the last time?
Well, because we put it in for a bit longer.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so Roy wanted it to be a bit more golden. So what we did in the last bit was did it for 5 more minutes at 190 degrees. That way it makes it more golden and then more crispy, I suppose.
Hide your face. Hide your face.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, do not. You can hear it anyway.
Well, let's try it with the gravy.
Why can't KFC do it like this?
Is it good with the gravy? Let's give it a try.
Still good.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh.
Gravy. Dunk it in the gravy.
Gonna have some rice with this now.
It's so good with the gravy. That's the best gravy I've ever done.
So good.
Is it too salty? No. Just enough? Does it taste like Jollibee?
It's hard to compare because
It's hard to compare.
we haven't had Jollibee for such a long time.
Next time we're going to figure out a way to get some Jollibee and compare the two. So the deal is in London there is only one Jollibee, unfortunately. So they don't deliver to East London. They deliver to a certain area of East London, but it's still too far away from all of us. So everyone else just wants to make their own Jollibee chicken. Come on, Jollibee, hurry up. Then we won't have to waste our time making it.
Bring it to East Ham.
We don't live in East Ham.
Bring it to East Ham anyway. That's enough.
Beckton, please, Beckton. But in comparison, this is still pretty good. You know, at least until we can get the real thing.
Especially for air fryer.
Yeah, considering it's air fried, it's still very crispy and it's really juicy inside. But I'll just show you how juicy this is. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy how juicy. Look how juicy it is. Juicy, juicy, juicy. Oh my god, look. It dripped, it dripped.
That's how juicy it is.
That's how juicy it is, it dripped. Okay guys, so that is my version of the Jollibee fried chicken. Except it's not fried, it's air fried. I hope you like this video.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Please subscribe, we're going to be doing a lot more.
Maybe make some comments and let us know how this video went.
If you have a better way of doing this and you think that there's something that I should have done that would make this recipe better, please comment in the comment box below. And yeah, give it a like and subscribe. Alright, let's go to Karen's house.
Delivery service.
We're now at Karen's house, just delivering the chicken. This is what it looks like. Whoa! Hello everybody. This is Amaya.
Hi. Go to Amaya.
This is what it looks like.
You're gonna try some?
Yeah.
You're gonna try it now?
Okay. Hi.
Hey.
Hi
What have we
Papa.
got for you?
Maya.
Do you like chicken?
Maya, say hi to the
No, you
camera.
don't like chicken.
Nope. Amaya's gonna give it a taste test.
Is it still crispy?
What is it like?
It's good.
It's good. Do you like it?
With
You
the
don't-
skin.
Oh. Is it nice? What does it taste like?
Try it.
Reminds me of KFC.
Oh yeah.
Really, I've just had
But crispy.
cookie.
Oh, good.
You just had it.
You love it?
Try it.
We're doing taste tests at the door. How is it?
It's crispy.
Is
Very
it?
crispy. It's got a little crunch.
And it's not even deep fried.
What is that then? Is that the air
Air
fryer?
fryer.
Can I try?
You wanna try? You wanna try? Go. Try this one. Hey. This one, ready?
Will be his first chicken.
Mmm. Do you like it, Mayim?
It's so good at stuck in my teeth.
Is it nice? Is it nice? Say hi to the camera. Say hi to everyone. Hi, everyone. What is that? Your car? Say hi, everybody.
Oh, I got some.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mayan. Did you try some chicken?
Can I wipe his face?
Did you like it? You like the chicken? Yeah.
My son.
Oh, the sun is too bright. Okay, do you want to go inside? Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for that.
No problem.
And make sure to subscribe to my sister Joyce. She's the best. So yeah.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Yeah. And like this video.
Oh, well done, Maya. High five. Maya, do you want to high five me? High five. Yay! Okay, bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay, guys, we'll end the vlog right here. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it's given you a little taste of joy. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to tune in for more. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.